Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today listen, I'm gonna tell you about database management system. But first, before start the lesson, Peter, we may take a break. Pray begin. Amen. Okay. Any absent student today?
No, sir.
Oh,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Let's start the lesson. Before we learn the deep of database, we should know the basic database first. Database is an important component for the information technology and useful for every organization that want a good system information will help organization activity for reach the goals. And then DBMS or Database Management System is a software system that is designed to manage database and run the operation data that request by the user. DBMS also a software that used for database based on computer. DBMS so useful for managing a large amount of data. Using DBMS in order to prevent untidy in system information and use for the user as needed. Because of that, database have an useful in system information, and of course, a database management system software have a many kind, like the legal and illegal. As example, that most likely used as MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Firebird, Database Desktop Paradox, and Microsoft Access. Many of them have a strength and weakness, but choose according to our needs. Then, this is the function and purpose of database management system. DBMS can be used together, save the storage, and of course, fast in accessing data, determined by the DBMS software too, and also can remove the duplicated and inconsistent data, which can save the storage. Next, give a securing data for the organization or company which has important and prevent the data leak, and especially handle a large amount of data. And then, database management system have a component. First, file manager is used for managing space and data structure which has to represent the information inside the disk. The second is database manager. It's a component for managing an interface between low-level data in the database with application program and system query. The next is query processor, used for translate the command in query language to low-level instruction which is understandable by a database manager. Then DML precompiler, used for change the DML command and add in an application program to the normal procedure player into a parent language. And the last DDL compiler is used for converting DDL command into a table which have metadata. And we have a DBMS language. Uh, DBMS language have two language. First is DDL language or data definition language. Is a language that use as we met a database, table, view, and many more. Like the general to represent a design. Compilation technique in DDL will save in a library. DDL also, as a builder of the library, create a database, describe logical view for the user and programmer, and give the safety restrictions field or not for database. And the last is DML language or data manipulation language. Like the name, this language is used for data manipulating, like add a data, change a data, or delete data in a database. In SQL technique can be insert, update, and delete. DML can also make easier writing program to do a task for as some name in the part of data. Alright, are you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question?
I don't think.
Yeah.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Maybe no, sir.
All right, thank you very much. The next class we learn deeply about database management system and many more. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for attention. I'm sorry if there are a mistake during the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Dah.